767. Let's go. Okay, so in shader source number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, all the way down in render collected binary tiles within the rendering of the body of a bomb, right? A non-zero bomb tile value. We have modified the glyph color. So if the bomb tile bit is set, then this is drawing the glyph part of the bomb. And inside of slow glow pulse, we are going to change this from output frag color to flow bomb because we're going to use this again later. And then right down here, if we're drawing the negative space, the non-glyph part of the bomb, the square gradient part of the bomb, well, down here, we're also going to change this from out frag color to the float bomb color because we're going to use this later down here. Here's what we're going to do. In bomb glass grayout, this is a new section. If we have an existing glass panel in front of this bomb, we're going to take the flow bomb color and we're going to average it out to some type of grayscale value. Well, this isn't actually grayscale, but once we put it into a float vec 3, now we have a grayscale, and then we're going to do this little transformation to kind of make it a little bit pale so that it blends well with the multiply blend of the glass panel that's going to go in front of it. And once we've made this modification, we are going to pump it into the output frag color, and then later a glass panel is going to go in front of this, and we're going to get a nice kind of washed out atmospheric perspective with the glass panel composited on top of the bomb. Let's go down to the next section. Here's what we did previously, and then here's a little footnote, and then here's what we did in this video, right? So the bombs are now drawn in a desaturated color palette when they're behind the windows. Okay, so if you want a longer explanation with the tech demo, you can go to Ninja Playlist 8. You've been on Kanji Playlist 8. Nothing but tech demos is Weeboo Playlist 8, and source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine for a game called Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm writing server code, rendering code, physics code. I'm writing it all. If you want to know how to make a game engine, like and subscribe. I'm open sourcing the code. I'm documenting every single line of code on video. Like and subscribe.